Hey traders, welcome back to the FX YouTube channel. Hope everyone is good today. Apologies for missing London today. Once again I felt awful after waking up, so I stayed in bed. Doesn't look like I missed much anyways. And last night's FOMC was overly underwhelming. I'm surprised, awfully surprised, that we saw barely any movement in the markets following the FOMC meeting minutes. As a result, my thoughts on what could happen after FOMC obviously did not play out at all. Anyways, let's get into the analysis and try to make some sense of what's going on in the markets. So starting with the news, we have ADP employment change 15 minutes after New York open. We have jobless claims 30 minutes after New York open. We have some speeches later on in the evening. There could be some movement in the price, but based on what I'm seeing for the news, it's likely not to be so significant. And on to DXY. So on the 4-hour time frame, we're currently just ranging. We did have a 50% pullback of this last leg, but aside from that, nothing really so significant that I'm seeing on the charts on the 4-hour time frame. If we go down to the 15-minute time frame, it looks like we reacted off a flip zone. So we had some supply here creating a reaction area, which is this flip zone. We tapped into it, and for now we're pushing off of it. So to be completely honest, it's not exactly clear where DXY wants to go. Although some of the elements to go higher have been met, like the 50% pullback and mitigation of the flip zone, there is clearly a chance that from here it may push up higher and attack the highs. And finally on EU, so on the 4-hour time frame, a lot less obvious what it wants to do. For now, a lot of indecision. We have these candles with huge wicks on both sides. If we go on the 15-minute, again you can see it's ranging, but to be fair, you could have caught a lot of decent moves because this range is like a 40 plus pip range, so you could have taken the price up and down over 40 pips 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 times up to now. So for me, right now, it's not exactly clear where EU wants to go. It looks to me like it's consolidating and building liquidity for a bigger move. And to be honest, it could easily come down to attack the lows again. But as of right now, nothing is really too clear in terms of which direction the bigger move wants to go. I mean, if we stick to the higher time frame intention, it makes sense for price to continue to the downside. But for me, I'll likely just sit back and watch how price action plays out and come back again tomorrow. And hopefully we have something a little more clear in the markets then. But if I do see the lows go and the price pull back into a relevant supply zone, then I probably will look for sells. Well, that's it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts about what you think we're going to see for price action in the coming session. Drop a comment below. And if you found value in this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to ensure you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good luck trading.